Hello, I'm Kevin Vile. Welcome back to Psychonauts. Last episode, Psy King, or Helmut, or whatever the hell his damn name is,
I liked not remembering stuff.
just undid all the progress we made. In rebuilding his body, which I guess he's kind of undone now. He's undone his undoing of progress.
Are you okay?
So far.
I feel like I'm gonna fall off the edge if I do. Yep. Alright, slow time.
You were going to act her to death?
I did a monologue about Lucy's life and what she meant to us, to try and bring her back. I was useless that day.
That right?
You think you were useless that day? I tried to stop her with a motivational speech.
Did any of you actually attack her?
Actually, Fulbert, you distracted her long enough that I was able to recruit some local animals to help.
Which got washed
Which
away.
also didn't work.
We all brought what we had to the battle.
Which was nothing.
The main thing was, your beautiful performance did bring out the old Lucy. Just for a bit.
It reminded us that she was in there.
So, Maligula used to be your friend? And her name was Lucy?
Called it.
Was she the seventh member of the Psychic Six? Lucretia Mux? But she went bad somehow and then you...
No, I maybe should have let him finish.
You guys! I'm right here! Where are you going? Why did you all abandon me for 1,000 years?
He's 20.
20.
Maybe in your world? Did they even look for me? Did they all forget I existed?
We did look for you, Fulbert. But my stupid hyper-high glaciator there, which we brought to freeze Maligula, well, it
Froze
was
him.
designed, Otto. But you were so deep in that frozen lake, we couldn't find you. No matter how much we dug.
I know you're just speculating here, Helmet. I think you're probably right.
But I sent you my brain, Ford. Didn't you find it?
I don't know.
Ford must have brought your brain back because I found it in Otto's lab. But he must have lost that memory when his mind was shattered in the battle.
My brain was shattered? Well, come on. It was a little cracked to begin with.
Alright.
If my body's been in hyper-ice all this time, I'll bet I look amazing.
Almost done.
I'm starting to enjoy it now.
Almost done.
I'm starting to enjoy it.
I had to walk.
Oh no, I can't look. This is where that monster drowned my Bobby. Because I failed. Because my stupid plan couldn't save him.
You couldn't monologue her to death?
No, you saved me. You threw yourself into the path of danger, sacrificing yourself to save me. Rather dramatically, I might add.
Well, I mean, thank you.
So, I'm not dead. I'm out there somewhere waiting for you to come back to me.
I'm coming
So we've
to
not
you
met him
right
yet.
now.
As well as
I
the
swear.
nose, but that's
Better
Thompson's
hurry.
girlfriend.
You know how I get.
So I guess this is Psy King's boyfriend.
Memories, my boy. Just a show we put on inside our heads. Sometimes the first draft of the script stinks. Thanks for helping me with the rewrites. Now let's go give the people what they want.
Everybody stand back! Remember, this is our friend, Lucy.
I don't care.
She's going through a tough time. I think she might just need someone to listen to her.
I'm gonna kill her.
Save your sympathy for your strawberry, Zanato.
Zanato. Like Truman Zanato?
Time out, Lulu.
Okay, well, it's still getting a little closer. Oh, everyone's doing it. Alright.
Now's your chance, quick!
To do what? What, punch her? Oh, yes.
Great! The audience loved it. Do it again! One last curtain call and the show's over.
Oh, over there. Oh, wait, no, hang on. Some boss fight. We could have absolutely done this in the last episode.
I haven't found your body yet, Fulbert, but not to worry. I've got your brain, and I'm going to keep it safe back at HQ and come back for the rest of you.
How did you get his brain
Try
but
to
not his
figure out
body?
What to do with Lucy?
Okay, I know you won't forget about me.
I don't think anybody's going to forget about you after that performance. In fact, I think they're demanding an encore.
Psy King! Psy King! Psy King! Psy King! Psy King! Psy King! Psy King!
Is there going to be another song? No, I don't think so. Alright. So, what do we do with Nick? Because Psy King's brain is in his body.
Senior staff only.
Senior staff.
Who am I again?
Nick John Smith.
Nick John Smith.
Okay,
Senior
so he's taken
mailroom
over his
staff.
body.
Welcome, Helmut Fulbear, deceased.
About time they sent me an assistant.
Ford's gonna be so excited when he figures out who you really are, Agent Fulbear. Everybody is.
Kid, I owed you one, and now we're square.
Okay, what
But I'm
about
not ready
Nick?
to face Cruller. Not until I talk to Bob.
But
Lots of baggage to unpack. You wouldn't understand. But please, tell no one of my return.
But
I'll see you at curtain call.
Okay, but you're kind of walking around in
Somebody
someone
shut that
else's
door before
head.
the wind blows all my letters away.
Alright. Nifty. Okay. Before this, I've been mentioning this all of last episode. Where's that giant fan? I already had... Okay, well, whatever. Hooah.
excuse me, Agent Cruller,
Clerk Cruller. Yes?
I need to go inside your head.
would you mind if I went inside?
There's a
your
letter
mind
in there.
and sorted a few things out.
I'm never opposed to anything getting properly sorted.
Alright. With a stamp. You're gonna, like, bludgeon him in the head? I guess it was kind of soft. But you got ink on his hair. That's not gonna come out. Well, I don't know. It'd be difficult to get out. Not gonna come out of the uniform. Alright, what's the gimmick of this place? Are we in that? Yes. Punch, don't just move. Alrighty. Now we're in the air vents. Probably gonna need fire to burn letters. Oh, wait, no, don't burn that one.
Dear Ford, we brought peace to Grulovia, but there is still unrest among the people. A little ungrateful, I think. Home soon, Lucretia.
Alright. Maybe I don't need the burn stuff. Oh, there's a robot over there. Need to get in his head.
There's a piece of Ford's mind in here for me to reconnect. It'll probably be up in that giant, clunky head.
I think he can hear you.
Came out of that clunky head.
Oh.
Really? Can you help me get in there?
Maybe, to tell you the truth. I'm not addressed very well, so I'm sure I'll be marked return to sender and sent back there soon. Just grab on.
Did someone say return to sender?
Uh-oh. Yes. Hang on. Grab on, you said? In cutscene. Alright.
This letter's got no return address.
Bugger.
I'm afraid that means the dead letter office for you.
But wait, I'm a heartfelt love letter.
Don't care who you quoted. The feelings must get sorted.
Alright. Surprised this doesn't affect the weight, truth be told.
Too many letters, they just keep coming. What's the point? Nobody ever writes what they really mean.
So I think this is another one about his feelings for Lucia. Lucy? I don't know, Lucia. Whatever. Dead
I wrote a
letter.
letter once. Did I think I could stop a war? Ah, doesn't matter. I never sent it. Maybe it would have saved 1,000 lives. Maybe just one. I wonder what would have happened if I'd sent that letter.
Yeah, so this is
I
about
wonder if
regrets.
it's too late.
I'm not sure. The first bowling. Huh?
If I get you out of here, will you still take me up to the head?
Yes, but quick, before he...
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
What part of quick did you not understand, Raz?
My mistake. This doesn't belong in the dead letter office.
Where?
Look at that address. It belongs in the International Dead Letter Office.
What? No, wait!
Uh-oh.
Alright. Now goody combat. Ow, who's shooting fire? Oh, panic attacks. They are a normal thing now. Cool. Like just actual boss fight enemy. Like, I expected this to be like the judge in Compson's head, where there's more like a specific big enemy for that zone. Rather than just reoccurring, because we've not seen the judge since. Okay. Where the hell do we go? Up there again, presumably. Oh my god, the box! Oh well. Since we've got a break, I'll talk about the story so far. Or more of my thoughts on it. If you rewatch some other episodes, I called all the stuff. Like the frozen body. So, where do I go from here once? Alright, maybe over there? No! Oh, dagnabbit. I called all the stuff. So while the plot is kind of predictable, I have no idea where to go. There? Oh. That would certainly help.
Ah, there we go.
I do enjoy it. So where is this flying off to? No, just here. Then this. Alright, so that mail slot over there. Oh, dagnabbit. Can I type on this? Oh, rats. C into the sea of letters. Oh, never mind. Let's see, where's L? Right over by K, here. Damn it! Can I put them back on? I'm looking at my keyboard to see where they have to go.
That's better. Now where are the rest?
Oh, I see. I actually have to find them. That's the point. Through here. You go... on... in... No, that's where Y goes. That's wrong. That's wrong. Oh, whatever.
Oh, okay. Keyboard is almost complete. Just one key missing.
It's the one I
Where
want.
is it?
The one I want is missing. Are you kidding me? That's annoying. Oh, well. I don't see it anywhere. I just want to spell vile. Oh, okay. No, that's for changing the word. Well. If only I had noticed that, huh? Okay.
Lucretia, gentle rain's not enough to secure my reign. Stop being coy with the hoi polloi.
Now, where did I put that letter? I must have put it somewhere around here.
What the? Oh dear, where do I go after that? That beam? Must be that. Oh, not enough height! Ugh, I hate how limited that is. Oh, of course. Of course. It doesn't last a second. Here, I don't know. These letters, invaded. She's leaving. He's alone. Letters from her. War's over. Now people are the problem. Captain Val can't read cursive because he's a moron. We're worried about you, is all I can make out. Doesn't sound like yourself. Frightened, something. Country discontinued. Wowza. Alright, now where'd the does go? From the typewriting desk. It'd really help if, How do I get back there? Oh, hello. Where are you going? Are you heading back that way, hopefully? Yeah, looks like it. Oh, and a ways after that. Holy crap, where are you taking me? I had the wrong one equipped. It was going to the international one? No, wait, the international one was up there, right? Well, this is still taking me there. I may have to cut this into 2. Oh, rats. Oh, I didn't get a see. Oh, whatever. Trying to pyrokinesis him. Alright, we good now? What am I on? Where am I?
Oops.
Where the hell am I? Whoa! Okay, am I meant to go down? I think I'm stuck. I've glitched it. I think I found a glitch. Okay. So don't go down there. That's not correct. Oh, hello again.
Okay, just hold still. I'm gonna get you out of here.
Oh, no.
Well, we were meant to go down there now.
Some letters are such a pain in the neck, they really belong in the furnace.
Wait, I think I know how to address this one.
Really? Well, it's worth a shot. But don't take all day. The mail must sail into tomorrow, no time to borrow.
Boy, I hope you know what you're doing.
Alright. Alright, since we're close to finishing, fine, it'll be 1 episode.
Hey, I think that's a key to the typewriter.
Do you, Raz? Make this shot?
I think I know who Ford would like to address this letter to. Oh. He's happy to get a nugget of wisdom.
Respond for X round, yeah.
Sure, why not?
There we go. To me! Okay. Probably not what he wants. Yeah, no, he wants...
Don't have time to mess around.
Shut up.
That's a possibility.
To his girlfriend.
Is it luck?
I think he meant to send it to
And I
Lucretia.
hope it's luck.
Do I have to actually type out Lucretia?
Right. That's the name we all forgot. Now let's send that off and see what we get.
I can do that. But only with a pen. But it's a nifty trick. Lucy's dead, she's never coming back. We should have addressed it to me.
You see? The mail just doesn't matter.
There's no paper there. Anywho. Another one of his memories.
This is a private mailbox. You aren't allowed in here. You've been missorted. You touch that, and it's a federal crime.
I've done worse.
Ah!
What did you say in that letter?
Nothing important, really. Just that I loved her. She
Seems
just
kind of
wanted to
important.
help, but they pushed her too far. Well, how should we have known? It's not like she was marked fragile. But I thought I knew her and everything she held inside herself. Ah, I had so much to learn. I guess some packages are better left unopened.
Boop. One left. Bit of a long episode. Well, maybe not. I'd have to cut some stuff because I was a moron.
Only one more piece of Ford's mind to reconnect. I'm making progress. What if Caligula shows up here? And Ford's not ready. I need to hurry up.
Oh well. Yeah, what's in here? I already get this. I did indeed already get this. I'm doing nonsense. Anyway, episode's over. What are we doing next time? Well, we can try and go back. No, not small enough. Like you said earlier. We can try and go back to the barber thing, but we don't have the power we have yet. So I think go into the woods and find Compson.
Psy cards piling up. To Psy challenge markers with a Psy core from the
what's this?
automatic.
Oh well. I'll just wait. We don't have the ability yet. We need to find Compson and have him teach us the animal ability. Not sure if we can do that, though. I guess we have to go into the woods. Maybe forget the forest again? Try that next episode. Anyway, thank you for watching, and goodbye.